Rock bottom. Rock bottom and box bottom. He saw transition already. Rubbish bottom. That's it.
What's that?
What?
What's that?
Yes.
No.
Yeah, he's actually. Yeah. 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 Touch it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Where's Mary? That one. You will use that one. Or I should bring from down.
Oh. After that, we should go. How strong is root? Which one? This one. Last. It's metal plate. Metal sheet. It's metal. Oh, it will go through. We bend it. Bend it. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. And then we have to look up there because leaking in there when it's ready. I told you that the leak. Yeah. You never listen to it. Yeah, that's why we. I know. We check now. What we have to do. We check now. What we have to do is come inside. Yeah. Push the metal sheet apart. And then use metal like this. No, Potter. Mr. Potter. He's so conscious about his car. Right. The last time he had an accident on this car. This car? Jeep, yeah? Last time he had an accident. Audi. Audi, new one. Audi. New model? New model. Right, this thing. Audi. No, get some cream.
From down.
Yeah. Get some cream in there. Cream or what is that?
Should just one or I should bring from down?
We use that.
Huh?
We use that one.
Should I bring now?
No, we use that. Let's see, this is good or bad.
I think so. It's bad. I should bring the new one.
Yeah.
No, it's off.
Yeah. Oh.
It's very smelly. Give it to me.
Sit there.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
That's a life-threatening, yeah. You should not put it in there. Yeah. Maybe some hoses are open. Yeah. You should put in there. Look how much dirt in there. You should clean it with that. He never cleans it. It's so thick. My language. My language. My language is very hard language. My language is so sexy language. My language is very fucking language. Tiny language. Thank you so much. It's appreciated. What do you say?
My tea.
Glory. Appreciated with glory. Need to be sugar in here. It is with sugar, yeah. It is salt, yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. It's coming out. Look. Wait. This is the best. No. Tasty tea. That's it. It is Jimmy.